Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I got my cat lady box. And Jellybean he came up in like 2 seconds. I had this thing up here. I hadn't even like barely cut the tape. He was up here. So I think he's ready. I've had this box for a while, guys. I've had it for a bit. It's just... It is what it is. Here we go. Let's get this baby open. Okay. Okay, JB. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. This is like, look how cute this is. And, oh, they have, like, it's all decorated different on the back. The featured cat lady artist is Niesel. I have no idea how to say her name. I apologize. And true story, my house. JB, baby, hold on. If you push on it, it flies off the table. Okay, you can't push on it, baby. He's a kitty cat. He don't know. Okay, so pool Pawty is the theme for this box, and let's see. I don't think that there's like a name for this, but I mean, the kitty cat is definitely having a great time in the pool. I think that's amazing. I totally love that. And it does say on here that because of us, CatLadyBox was able to donate to these rescues last month. The Northeast Missouri Humane Society, the Licking County Humane Society, the Senla Cat Project, and Catnip Acres. Okay, so let's start looking at everything in the box, because he's about to lay down on everything and then we'll be in trouble. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that little guy. It's a popsicle. Jellybean. Doesn't he do this every month? Look. You comfy, buddy? You comfy? Yeah? Are you good right there? Yeah, that's your spot? That's your spot? Maybe y'all don't even want to see me. I don't... Hold on. Let me see if I can just turn the camera down and you can just watch him. And I'll just... Well, if I can get the poor thing not to, like, fall over. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's what we're going to do. And then I'll try to show you these things, but because he's dark, it like washes out everything. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that, guys, because you can't, he's the star. He's the star. Look, I even get all washed out. Hi, baby. Okay, so if I come in here, then I balance it out somehow. You're not comfy yet? It's lumpy? Is it lumpy? Yeah, there's something lumpy in there. Might be something lumpy in there. It's a little popsicle guy. You want him? Yeah, you like him? Or you just trying to touch me? Oh my goodness, I wish y'all could see his little face. Jellybean, mommy could not love you anymore, baby. Look at him. Shama boo. Hold up. I just feel like I need to see his little face. I have a mess over here. And y'all are seeing my mess. But you know what? I know that you're really looking at his little face. Okay. I do need to open the box. He is quite adorable, though. I completely understand why you would rather just watch him. I do. I get it. Here is the first little toy. It's a popsicle. I'm sure there's nip in there because he was getting all excited. But look how cute that is. That is so cute. Okay, so let me cut off the little tag. I'm just cutting off the tag so you can play with it. You don't gotta look at that face. Why make it that face? Hold on. Ugh. I'm just trying to get to the trash can. Okay. I really am. I'm just trying to get to the trash can so I can get the... Okay. There he is. Little guy. I love him. Okay, so we're going to sit him to the side there for a second. Here's the second toy. Oh my gosh. You guys, oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm telling you. CatLadyBox, it knocks it out the park every month. Are y'all ready? And it's a little, oh, why can't I think of words? Let it be on here. Pawty like a flock star, it says. It's not saying. Lifesaver? Lifesaver? I don't know. Anyway, let's take off the little tags so that the kids can play with it. Oops. It's okay, buddy. Oh my gosh. I just love this little guy. Look at that. That is, that is adorable. I mean, seriously, y'all. Is there anything better for the summer? Like, no. Okay. All right, JB, you got to give mommy something. Let me just, if I take that out first, then you, oh, his little paw. Okay, I know. Let me take this shirt out because I know it's a t-shirt. I could tell. Oh my goodness. Okay, it says, I'm trying to say it without tripping up. Flocking fabulous. Flocking okay, listen. There it is. Try to say that really fast. It's like impossible. And it's got a kitty cat with a couple of flamingos. That's cute. Okay, Jellybean, mommy has to get something else out of there, buddy. What is this? What's this big thing right there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait, there's two things. Okay, it was all wrapped up, so I'm sorry, baby. Do you want those on the floor? Now he's playing with the toy. Both of them together. Oh, something fell. Okay, let me put these over here. Take this first thing out since it fell down. This is, oh, I think it's a coin purse. It's like made of silicone. Is that what it, silicone coin purse. That's just so odd. Look. So, oh, sorry. I was holding it upside down. It's a kitty cat head. And it's, the light is shining on it in a funky way. I just put it in front of me and I got a kitty head now. I mean, here's the kitty cat, but then you have to hold it like this to unzip it and get your change out. But look it's like, it's roomy. Like you could put your dollars and your change in there. That's super cute. All right. I'll leave it on for a little bit. Maybe I'll gift it to somebody. Because I do get a lot of stuff. Okay, this is a set of luggage tags for CatLadyBox. And let's see. Oh, these are nice, actually. Look. It's got this cute little design on the back with kitty cats and stuff. And then, you know, the space for your name and address and everything. And you get a set of 2. That is super cute. That is really super cute. And then they go right in here. Of course, once you put it on your bag, then you don't need it anymore in the box anymore. But that's super cute. And then, oh my goodness, I think this is a beach towel. I mean, it must be, right? Okay, let me scooch back so I can show you. Where is it open? I always have the hardest time figuring out where these things open. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to see which way it goes so I can hold it for you. Is it like this? Is it upside down? I think it's upside down. There you go. So it's a kitty cat with some sunglasses on. And then this side, I guess that's where your feet go. You don't put your feet right on top of the kitty cat face. You don't do that. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. That is really, really cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me see. Let me take this little guy for a second. Oh, my fingernails make me not be able to do anything. This is for June, and I know it's the very end of June, but I told you guys I've had this box for a bit. And so I'm just now opening it, I know. But oh my gosh, I mean, this is amazing. I think I pay $39.99 for this box, and we've got the Cool Cat Beach Towel that retails at $19.99. The Flocking Fabulous Tea. You just can't say that word. I mean, it just... it does not flow off the tongue. The retail value on that is $22.99. The silicone kitty purse is $11.99. The Cat Lady luggage tags, $18.99. The Flamazing Flamingo catnip toy, $5.99. And the Chili Pop catnip toy, $5.99. So, I don't know. Value is a lot and you pay $40. I mean, you know, you can't go wrong. So, here we go. Cat Lady box for June. Pool Pawty. 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 So I hope you guys like this. You got a little bit of JB. Hopefully you got enough. I know personally I can never get enough. I love this baby boy. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching me unbox the Cat Lady box. Actually, this is the crazy Cat Lady box because I'm kind of the crazy cat lady. Mwah.